Hello guys. Welcome to my new video. Today's video contains the top 5 new Amazon kitchen items. This month that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. If you like the video, please subscribe and click the bell icon to be the first to see my new videos. Thanks. So let's start the video.
As an experienced product marketing expert, I have had the opportunity to review a wide range of kitchen products and the premium quality over the sink, stainless steel oval. Colander by U.S. Kitchen Supply is truly impressive. This colander stands out due to its excellent material quality design and functionality. Crafted from high-quality rubber material, this colander is designed to last, making it a reliable kitchen tool for everyday use. The stainless steel color gives it a sleek and modern look that would complement any kitchen decor. The fine style of this colander adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen while providing practicality in straining and draining tasks. With product dimensions of 14.5 L into 9.5 W into 3.5 H, this colander offers ample space for various food items, fruits, vegetables, and pasta, making it versatile for different kitchen needs. Its oval shape fits perfectly over the sink, allowing for easy and efficient draining without taking up extra counter space.
I recently had the pleasure of trying out the Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A snow cone and shaved ice machine, and I must say I was impressed by its performance and efficiency. As a product marketed by Hawaiian Shaved Ice, a reputable brand known for quality products in the industry, this machine truly lives up to expectations. The product dimensions of 8D into 8W into 12H make it compact and easy to fit into any kitchen or countertop space without taking up too much room. The wattage of 55 watts ensures that it is energy efficient while still delivering powerful performance. With a voltage of 120 volts, this machine is compatible with most standard power outlets, making it convenient for everyday use. The Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A snow cone and shaved ice machine is manufactured by Hawaiian Shaved Ice, a trusted company with a proven track record of delivering high-quality products to consumers. The build quality of this machine is sturdy and durable, ensuring long-lasting performance.
The Jumbo Insulated Cooler Bag by Creative Green Life is a reliable companion for outdoor activities, especially camping trips. Made from durable polyester material in a sleek charcoal color, this cooler bag offers a generous capacity of 10 gallons, providing ample storage space for food and beverages. With dimensions of 8 us in diameter, 21 in width, and 17 in height, this bag is compact yet spacious. One of the standout features of this cooler bag is its insulation, which helps keep your drinks and snacks cool for an extended period of time. Whether you're spending a day at the beach or enjoying a picnic in the park, this insulated cooler bag ensures that your refreshments stay at the ideal temperature. The portability of this cooler bag is another highlight, thanks to its lightweight design, which weighs only 1.3 pounds. The zippered closure ensures that your items are secure during transportation, providing peace of mind while on the go. Overall, the Jumbo Insulated Cooler Bag,
the OXO Brew Tea Infuser Basket 6 Oz, is a top-notch product that incorporates the perfect combination of design, functionality, and quality. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this tea infuser basket ensures durability and long-lasting performance. The stainless steel material also guarantees that there will be no unwanted flavors imparted to your tea during the brewing process. With a sleek stainless steel color and a practical basket shape, the OXO Brew Tea Infuser Basket not only looks elegant, but also provides great utility. The brand's reputable name, OXO, further enhances the trustworthiness and reliability of this product. Weighing just 0.08 kilograms, this tea infuser is lightweight and easy to handle, making it convenient to use on a daily basis. Whether you are a tea enthusiast or just someone looking for a high-quality tea infuser, the OXO Brew Tea Infuser Basket, 6 Aussies, is an excellent choice that will surely meet your brewing needs. Its user-friendly design.
I recently had the opportunity to try out the Victoria cast iron tortilla press, a solid addition to any kitchen. Manufactured by Victoria, a brand known for quality kitchenware, this tortilla and roti maker is made of durable cast iron. The manual operation adds a nice touch of tradition to the cooking process. The black color of the tortilla press gives it a sleek and professional appearance that would complement any kitchen decor. With a capacity of 8 inches, this press is ideal for making a variety of tortillas and rotis. What sets this product apart is its sturdy construction, and the ability to consistently produce perfectly shaped tortillas, the heavy-duty cast.